Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Damiyoungest, and in this video I'll be showing you how to open the Google account step by step using Google Play Store app on your Android device. If you are new to Android device or just need a boost, this video is for you. The first step is to open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Click on the sign in button. After clicking on the create account, now you need to choose the type of account you want to create. You can select for myself or to manage my business. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to choose for myself. Next, you need to fill out your personal information, including your first and last name. Next, enter your birthday and gender. This information enables Google to deliver appropriate experience. You now ask to choose a username for your new Gmail account. Your username will become your new email address after you have chosen a username. Tap on next. Your desired email address and a strong password. Make sure to choose a unique and secure password to protect your account. At this stage, you have the option to skip or to hide your number. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to skip this process. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Gmail account on your Android device. You can now send and receive emails. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one. Thank you.